Here's a very quick guide for how we can add buttons to our page within Squarespace. I've already accessed the admin area, so what I'll do now is click Edit on the page, and now I can go straight into formatting. As we can see, we've got a number of widgets here that allow us to add various content types. So what we'll do on this page is we'll add one medium-sized button centrally aligned underneath the initial paragraph, and then finally we'll add 3 small left-aligned buttons underneath each of the feature items here. I know now that the button will be placed within the frame of here and here. So I select the widget and I select the button option, and now I can see it's already placed a medium-sized button with Learn More in as the default text. So first of all, I might want to change that. I'll use About Us as an example here. Then I can select the click-through URL. So I can go to Content and then find About from the options. If I just deselect that window by clicking within this window but off the top layer, I can then choose additional options. I can make the button smaller, larger, or choose the alignment. You can change the look of the buttons in the design section of the Squarespace admin, which we'll cover in a different tutorial. So once I'm happy with the button format, I can click Apply, and then I can, if I want to, press Save to update the page. But quickly, I'll just go through and add 3 additional buttons. I'll make these small and I'll align them to the left. I'll link them all to the same place, but obviously you can change the buttons to have different locations. And add the final one. Buttons are a great way of adding individuality to the pages to make sure that they tie in with your overall brand, and also they make it easier for the user to navigate to the area they want in good speed.